Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. If you are new here, my name is Patricia and welcome back to another video. I don't know why all of this is happening with my hands. Okay.
Yeah.
So in today's video, guys, this is so exciting. I am actually sharing with you guys a new in item. Woo, 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 woo. Okay. Anyway, let me get it. Hold on. Okay, it is. Can you see? So the writing is so small. Let's see. Can you see that? Is it gonna focus? Oh, okay. It focused. Okay. It's new in. It's Bottega. What? Before I show you guys the bag. Oh, the bag. So before I show you guys the bag, I'm just gonna get into a little bit of background. I have been searching for this piece, searching high and low. Okay, so if you guys watched my, I think it was my 2022 wish list video, this bag was included among the items that I had my eye out for. And actually, I didn't think that this was going to be something that I would end up purchasing um, like super soon after that. I knew it was on my wish list. I was like, I need this bag for fall, winter. I need this bag for fall, winter. After I did that video, I kept thinking about this bag. I didn't want to spend the price point. So I said in the video that this bag was something that I wanted to get pre-owned. And I had to get pre-owned because I don't think that this style is sold like new anymore. I'm pretty sure it's considered vintage. We'll get into all that. But anyway, wanted to get it pre-owned. I was looking. I was like, I don't want to spend that much money. I found a dupe, or what I thought was a dupe for the bag, on Etsy. So I actually seen a couple of dupes for the bag, but most of the dupes weren't real leather. And one of the major points for me was that I wanted it to be real leather. I wanted like a good quality leather bag. So I was like, I'm not going to do that. The one on Etsy was around $200 and it was supposedly real leather. So I placed the order. I was told it would be sent out in 2 weeks, that they were backed up. I was like, okay, fine. I waited and I waited and I waited and it never got sent out. And then the seller ultimately just issued me a refund for the purchase. So I don't know what happened there. It was kind of disappointing. So I ended up just being on the hunt for the bag. I was like, you know what? I'm just going to buy it pre-loved. I just need to find it in good condition. So as you guys know from the title of this video, this is the Bottega Veneta Intrecciato Hobo bag. I'm probably saying Intrecciato wrong. Intrecciato, something like that. You'll see the spelling. Anyway, that is what this is in the dark brown color. So I don't know where I saw this bag, but once I saw it, I was like, oh, I need that bag. I need like that large bag. I need it. As I kind of said, I went through this whole thing. It was in my heart. It was in my mind, whatever. So once I was like, I can't get the dupe. I have to find the bag pre-loved. I was like, okay, I want it in really good quality, because the bags that I was seeing when I was searching were somewhere between like 600 to the early thousands for this bag. So, and there was like a range of colors, but I knew that I wanted the dark brown. And on so many instances during my search, I was considering getting different colors, but I was like, you know what? No, this is what you want. Like, you'll wait it out. I saw a couple of dark brown ones, but there would be like different variations. So either it would be that it was just like not in great quality, it was really worn, or sometimes there would be different embellishments on the bag that I guess different styles of it that I just like didn't want, so I just didn't go and purchase it. So I waited and I waited and waited, and I finally was searching one day and I saw this specific bag posted by an eBay seller. So I've never previously purchased luxury bags on eBay. But I saw the bag, exact bag I wanted, dark brown color, excellent condition, according to the post, excellent condition, interior and exterior. And it was, I think, going for 1100 or something around there. So I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, I've never, like I said, I never ordered designer bags from eBay, but this particular bag um, had the eBay authenticity guarantee, which I've seen and I've heard about, that eBay will authenticate the bag for you from the seller and then it'll come to you. So I'll get a little bit into that process after I show you guys the bag. But anyway, I keep blabbing and blabbing and blabbing about the process. Let's get to the bag. Okay, guys. So clearly, I have opened it. I've opened it and I wore it once. So yesterday was the first time that I wore it. I got it like 3 days ago. I wore it for the first time yesterday. Okay. It was so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. Whoa! Ta-da! Ooh. This is the bag, you guys. Oh, check that out. Ooh. Look at that. It's so pretty. I have it stuffed right now so you can get like the full shape. There's my phone going off. So, the bag. I'm going to go into a little bit of details again about this specific bag. I have my notes here, so if I'm looking down, forgive me. So as I said, the bag was listed for a little bit more than like 1100. I checked out this eBay seller. It is a Japanese eBay seller, which I've heard it's probably best to get your bags if you're ordering them from eBay, I guess, or from overseas and internationally in general. That Japan is a great country to check out sellers from because they, I think they have very strict laws regarding counterfeits. So anyway, it just happened to be a Japanese seller. They had like 99.5% positive ratings, multiple sales on their page. So I was like, okay, great. They were a top-rated, eBay trusted seller. Again, great. I was like, okay, this is all good for me because I didn't, I wanted to confirm that this was authentic. And so all those things checked out. And as I said, it had the eBay authenticity guarantee. So I decided to order the bag. It was $1,100, and then there was like an eBay coupon for like $100 off or something, maybe a little bit more than $100 off, but then taxes. So it essentially came to almost 1,100. It was actually a little bit less than 1,100 with the eBay coupon and then the taxes being added back on. So it actually ended up being a really good price considering the condition of the bag. This bag is in such great condition. So the seller actually said that it was in excellent condition, but I think they said like minor scuffs around the outside. That's barely there. Like, it's in such good condition. It came with the dust bag, as you all saw in the beginning, and I'm going to open it up. It came with the little like Bottega care instructions and the mirror, which I know that like Bottega bags come with like little mirrors. This one has a mirror, leather on the back that's stamped with Bottega, and then the mirror side, which I don't want to flash you guys with, but it came with both of these things. So great. And then it actually shipped. So it shipped from the seller to the eBay authenticator, and then came from the eBay authenticator to me, which was a pretty quick process overall. Let me not make so much noise as I'm trying to talk to you guys. It was a pretty quick process overall. Then, so when it arrived, it came in a box, and then it actually was in the eBay dust bag, and it has another authentication card, and it's actually pretty cool. The authentication card from eBay, which is in here, you can tap it on your phone or any NFC enabled device or phone. You tap it and it brings up the link that shows the bag, the model, and the date that it was authenticated with its own like authentication ID number, which is really cool. So I was like, wow, that's really good. I like that. So as I said, the bag is amazing. It's in great condition. I love it. I love the woven leather, which I think is what the Intrecciato is. That's what it's considered. I don't think I know that. And then the trim around the back, like it's essentially like brand new. There is like tiny, tiny scuffs, but like it's so brand new that I even like I can't wait to kind of break in the leather a little bit. Look at the handle. The handle is in great condition. I am going to show you guys the inside. As I said, I kind of stuffed it so that I can keep that shape. So I'm going to take out the stuffing. I just took like the air bags from the shipping box that it came in actually. So this is the inside of the bag. It's suede on the inside. It has one like side pocket. I don't know if you guys can see it over here. And then it has this big pocket on the side here with the Bottega stamp. The suede is so soft and nice. It's a beautiful color. The bag is just literally perfect. Oh my god, it's so perfect. I love it so much. The leather is so soft. It feels so good. I am like, this is amazing. So I'm a little paranoid, and despite the fact that I did have the eBay authentication on the bag, and this was like a reputable seller who, you know, stated that all the bags were authentic. I then had the eBay authentication, which passed through and came to me and was authenticated. I decided to go to my own outside. Authentication service, and so I used Authenticate First, which I had seen in a couple of videos. I've seen a couple of people talk about, and I was like, okay, it's online. So you take pictures of certain parts of the bag, the tags, everything, and you send it to them, and they will send whether or not the results of whether or not it's authentic or it's counterfeit back to you. They did authenticate the bag. They confirmed that it was authentic. You can also do add-ons, so if you need a certificate of authenticity or anything else, there's like different things that you can pay for like with add-ons. So I think the price of the authentication was $20, and then I paid an extra $5 for them to give me like details about the bag, because beyond the name, the color, of course, I didn't know. I wanted to know like what year the bag was from. Based on their review of it, I guess they said that it was from the year 2000. So I'm like, oh my gosh, like this bag is in such good freaking quality to be, you know, from 2000, which is like awesome. I love that. So again, it's just so perfect. It's my new baby. I love it. You know, it's very spacious though. I thought for some reason it was going to be a little bit more spacious. Like, this is the large size, and it's still, I mean, it's large, like, it's big. But, it's like, actually, it's perfect. It's large. It's perfect. It's large, but it's not, like, overwhelmingly large. Like, this is enough for me to carry everything I need, without it being kind of a burden or a hassle. So, it really is great. It's just so beautiful. Let me know down below if you guys want any other information on the bag. If you don't want me to do a what's in my bag when I do carry it, how I'll be filling it. It's just so pretty. You'll be seeing it a lot. If you see what I'm wearing on my outfits or anything like that, I will be carrying this. It's just gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. Guys, thank you for watching today's video. If you liked the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are interested in more videos from moi, please consider subscribing and joining this growing YouTube family. And if you have any questions at all about my new baby, my bag, or the process, including my search or the eBay seller or the separate authentication that I did, just go ahead and comment down below and I will be sure to answer any questions if I can, if I have the information. And also let me know if you guys want any more details about the bag, if you want me, again, to show you what I put in it, etc. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.